In the mythos of mathematics, the inspirational story of Srinivas Ramanujan is unparalleled. His letter to G.H. Hardy, barely a few months before his death, had hinted at the mysterious Mach theta functions. Now, over 90 years later, the last prophecy of Ramanujan is slowly revealing its tantalizing secrets, uncovering fertile realms at the very edge of the mathematical world. Q series, harmonic mass forms, quantum modular forms, automorphic forms, and many more, leading to new and spectacular breakthroughs in the field of number theory in mathematics. The genius of Ramanujan preoccupies generations of mathematicians even to this day.
Ramanujan was a great prodigy Indian mathematician. He was born on December 22, 1887. In spite of having been received no formal education, his genius made unprecedented contributions to mathematical concepts such as mathematical analysis, infinite series, continued fractions, and number theory. Impressed by his innovative work, G.H. Hardy called him to Cambridge. Ramanujan spent nearly 5 years in Cambridge, during which he published many of his papers on mathematics. In 1960, he was awarded with a Bachelor of Science degree for his work on composite numbers. He was elected a Fellow of Royal Society in 1918. In 1919, he suffered from tuberculosis and vitamin deficiency and had to return to India. His poor health led to his early demise. Indian government honors this great genius by observing his birthday, 22nd December, as National Mathematics Day.
Ramanujan's full name was Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. He was born on 22 December 1887 and died on 26 April 1920. He was an Indian mathematician who lived during British rule in India. Though he had almost a formal training in pure mathematics, he made a substantial contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fraction, including solution to the mathematical problems which were considered unsolvable. Ramanujan initially developed his own mathematical research in isolation. He tried to interest the leading professional mathematics in his work, but failed for the most of the part. During his short life, Ramanujan independently compiled near 3900 results, and many were completely novels. His original and highly unconventional results, such as Ramanujan prime, Ramanujan theta function, partition formula, and Mach theta functions, have opened entire new areas of work and inspired a vast amount of further research. Nearly all his claims have now been proved correct. Ramanujan Journal, a scientific journal, was established to publish work in all areas of mathematics influenced by Ramanujan, and his notebooks containing summaries of his published and unpublished results have been analyzed and studied for decades since his death as a source of new mathematical ideas as late as 2011 and again in 2012.
22 दिसंबर 2012 को भारत के पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह ने चेन्नई में महान गणितज्ञ श्रीनिवास अयंगार रामानुजन की 125वीं वर्षगांठ के मौके पर आयोजित एक कार्यक्रम में श्रीनिवास रामानुजन को श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए वर्ष 2012 को राष्ट्रीय गणित वर्ष और साथ ही उनके जन्मदिन को यानी 22 दिसंबर को राष्ट्रीय गणित दिवस घोषित किया। इस प्रकार 22 दिसंबर 2012 को पहली बार देश भर में राष्ट्रीय गणित दिवस मनाया गया। श्रीनिवास रामानुजन महानतम गणितज्ञों में से एक हैं, जिनके सहायक और योगदान ने गणित को पूरी तरह से नया अर्थ दिया है। इसीलिए उन्हें गणितज्ञों का गणितज्ञ भी कहा जाता है। रामानुजन ने 12 साल की उम्र में त्रिकोणमिति में महारत हासिल कर ली थी और बिना किसी की सहायता से खुद से कई थ्योरम्स भी विकसित किए। भारत के सभी राज्यों में अलग अलग तरीकों से राष्ट्रीय गणित दिवस मनाया जाता है। विभिन्न प्रतियोगिताएं और गणितीय प्रश्नोत्तरी स्कूल, कॉलेज और विश्वविद्यालय स्तर पर आयोजित की जाती हैं। गणित के प्रतिभा और भारत भर के छात्र इन कार्यक्रमों में भाग लेते हैं। काफ़ी परिश्रम के कारण रामानुजन बीमार रहने लगे थे और मात्र 32 साल की उम्र में उनका निधन हो गया। उनके निधन के बाद भी कई थ्योरम्स को छपवाया गया और इनमें से कई ऐसी थ्योरम्स भी हैं जिनको कई दशकों तक सुलझाया भी न जा सका। इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है कि रामानुजन द्वारा की गई गणित के क्षेत्र में खोज आधुनिक गणित और विज्ञान की आधारशिला है। यहाँ तक कि उनका संख्या सिद्धांत भी पर किया गया कार्य के कारण ही उन्हें संख्याओं का जादूगर भी माना जाता है। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, myself Anshika Tripathi of 7th and I study in Bal Bharati Public School, Nishadpura, Bhopal, and my poem's title is Shapes. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangle and square. A circle is round like a moon in a sky. Like a wheel or a cloud or the air is of our eye. A circle is forever, no beginning and no end. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and square. A square is a shape with 4 straight lines. Every side the same and every angle right, like a box or a seat of a chair. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and square. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and square. This is a triangle here for you to see. Can you count down the sides? 1, 2 and 3. Like a wedge or the face of the ancient pyramid. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and square. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and square. A rectangle is a shape like a wood block or a door. Every opposite sides are equal. We can count them as a 4. Like a photo frame or a computer screen, a book to name a few. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangle and circles, rectangles and squares. Thank you.
The great Indian mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan, a genius who loved numbers and used to play with numbers day and night, was born on 22nd December 1887 and died on 26th April 1920. Ramanujan had made extraordinary and remarkable contributions to mathematical analysis and numbers. He demonstrated unusual mathematical skills in school, winning accolades and awards. Though he had no formal training in mathematics, he had made substantial contributions. Every year, his birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. His contributions to mathematics are substantial and will be remembered forever.
Today I am going to recite a poem and my poem's title is Maths is Fun. Mathematics is full of fun with so much to learn. Profits are added while losses are subtracted. Degrees are multiplied and percentages divided. Geometry is full of mystery. Algebra has a big history. Teacher has different as brothers. Lines are parallel, angles are similar. Maths is the necessary in life. Without it, we cannot survive. Thank you.
Maths may not teach me how to add love or subtract hate, but it gives me every reason to hope that every problem has a solution.
Greeting to everyone, I would like to tell you a story how a little boy learned to use concept of mathematics in kitchen while working in the kitchen. One day a boy wished to use to his surprise to his mother on Mother's Day. He went into the kitchen and decided to prepare fruit juice, sandwiches and a cake for a surprise party. In the evening when his father came back from office, he presented a surprise party to his mothers and all family members enjoy a lot. After the party, his mother thanked him with lot of the best wishes, but after the movement, she asked, "Are you prepared for tomorrow maths exam?" He replied, "Yes mom, definitely I have prepared of the exam." While preparing the dishes in the kitchen, mother surprised, "How?" "Let me explain. Fruit I prepared 2 liter juice and distributed unequally in 8 glass. 2 liter means 2000 milliliter divided into 8 equal parts. Squeeze contain 250 milliliter juice." Mother said, "Very good." For sandwich I took 16 symmetrical pieces of bread. Used 2 bread in one sandwich with 500 gram potatoes, 250 gram carrots, 250 gram tomatoes and 50 gram cheese. Mother said, "Very good." Sun side I also prepared a biscuit cake using 1 packet of biscuit, 250 gram, 1 cup of lukewarm water, 200 gram sugar, 10 gram baking powder and dry fruits powder. Mix it well. In consistency, it baked it for 15 minutes. Mother said, "Very nice, yummy cake. Thanks mom." "Thanks mom. I also learned that for how you will use whole ingredient, the proper fraction of cook in the accurate timing for maintaining its nutrients value." I also prepared a bill to calculate the amount used to make the dishes. Mother understood that son is well, family members are very happy. So friends, mathematics is omnipresent and we can learn it from the kitchen also. Thank you.